The universe is reaching out to you, inviting you to a life filled with peace, purpose, and connection. By walking a spiritual path, you open the door to real health for your body, mind, and spirit. Let go of old worries and clear space for new energy. This is your chance to live purposefully, finding strength and clarity as you go. Trust in each step, knowing that this path will bring you healing, balance, and deep joy. There's some exciting news for you. Your location has been pinpointed by a drone because someone is planning to propose to you. This person, deeply in love, is preparing an amazing surprise. They're arranging a series of lucky events that seem perfectly planned from above. The universe is really happy for you, seeing you as its favorite person. All these actions, all this moving energy seem to be led by the universe, nudging you towards a life-changing moment of love and joy. This proposal comes at a time when you might still be healing from past heartaches. Maybe you had started to question if love was worth the pain and disappointment you felt before. It seems the universe has a special plan tailored just for you, bringing someone into your life who deeply understands the significance of love and is eager to help you trust in it once again. The universe is gently mending your heart in its own unique way, ensuring this person arrives back in your life precisely when you need them the most. They are here to remind you that the happiness you once thought was lost forever is still within your grasp. You were afraid to let go. This person brings more than just romantic gestures to the table. They also offer a promise of financial stability, which could ease some of the financial worries you've faced in the past. The universe is paving the way for you to build a family with someone who genuinely appreciates you and is committed to creating a stable and prosperous life together. With this person, you will feel safe and encouraged to pursue your dreams, stepping into a future where you are free to flourish. During those quiet times when doubts used to keep you awake at night, the universe is now rearranging circumstances in your favor. With this special someone by your side, you will discover a comfort that dissolves previous anxieties. Any conflicts or issues you might have experienced within your family or with yourself will transform into an atmosphere filled with love and tranquility. The universe has indeed opened new paths for you, guiding you toward a life that's not only fulfilling but also joyful. As you walk these new paths, you'll find that every step is supported by the universe's benevolent presence, smoothing the way as you move forward. The relationship you are building now is not just about personal happiness, but also about growing together and supporting each other in all of life's endeavors. Together, you and your partner will explore new horizons, tackle challenges with confidence, and build a foundation that nurtures mutual growth and respect. The love you share will inspire you both to reach new heights, not just in your personal lives, but also in your contributions to the community and wider society. This connection promises to enrich your life in ways you hadn't imagined, providing not only love and companionship, but also a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. The universe's plan for you is clear and profound. It's an invitation to embrace a life where love, stability, and joy are the cornerstones. With open arms and an open heart, you can step into this beautifully orchestrated life, confident that each day will bring new opportunities to grow and celebrate the love you have found. Say yes to this journey and let the magic of the universe lead you to a future filled with endless possibilities and happiness. This relationship feels like you've finally found your way home. It's not just about the love and stability it brings, but it also opens up new opportunities for your career and personal development. Having someone beside you who believes in your potential means you'll find the strength to chase the dreams you had previously put on hold. In your professional life, you'll notice opportunities that align perfectly with the new direction your life is taking. This person energizes you, helping you perform better at work, which could lead to promotions, exciting projects, or even entirely new career paths. The universe continues to weave its magic, and with this relationship, you're on the brink of a flourishing life. Adventures await, traveling to places you've never imagined, experiencing things that were once just dreams. Side by side with your partner, your days will be filled with an invigorating sense of excitement and fulfillment. You'll share joyous moments, explore new horizons, and create lasting memories in places that capture both your hearts. As you travel together, you'll see landscapes that take your breath away, experience cultures that broaden your perspective, and participate in activities that challenge and excite you. These experiences will not only deepen your bond, but also enrich your understanding of the world around you. Back at home, the positive changes keep coming. Your newfound confidence and the support of your partner might inspire you to take on challenges you were hesitant about before, like starting a new business venture or pursuing further education. The encouragement from your partner makes difficult tasks seem manageable and goals more achievable. This blossoming partnership does more than just enhance your personal and professional life. It transforms your entire existence. You'll find that with the right support, you can overcome past fears and embrace a future brimming with possibilities. The comfort and security you feel with your partner will embolden you to take risks and step out of your comfort zone, which is essential for growth and success. As you both support each other in achieving individual aspirations, you strengthen your relationship and build a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. This solid foundation ensures that as you both grow individually, your relationship grows too, adapting and thriving in the face of life's inevitable changes. The universe has truly set you on the path of discovery, love, and success. Embracing this journey means embracing a life filled with joy, security, and achievement. Together, you and your partner are not just chasing dreams, you are turning them into your reality, proving that with love, belief, and the right partner, anything is possible. The magic is just beginning. The universe has grand plans for your future. Being with this special person is going to transform your life in amazing ways, enhancing how others view and respect you. You'll notice more admiration and recognition from those around you, and all this will come with the heartfelt support of your community. This relationship is a golden opportunity to construct the future you've always envisioned. Your new partner brings with them respect, understanding, and a deep connection that will help bring your dreams to life. Abundance and incredible luck as the universe steers your life toward remarkable transformations. This is your chance to start anew, surrounded by love, safety, and joy. Whether it involves advancing in your career, exploring new destinations, or expanding your family, every aspect of your journey will be touched by the universe's guiding hand, leading you toward a future brimming with endless opportunities. Spirit house, lights, music, library, heart and rose-colored hats. Imagine the possibilities. You could excel in your career, reaching heights you once thought were out of reach, thanks to the confidence and support your partner instills in you. Maybe you'll travel to places that once were just names on a map, experiencing cultures and landscapes that enrich your soul and broaden your worldview. Or perhaps you'll start a family, creating a nurturing home filled with love and laughter, setting the stage for a legacy of happiness and connection. With each step forward, you'll feel more empowered and aligned with your true purpose, as every decision and action seems blessed by the universe's favor. Your relationships with friends and family will strengthen, and you'll find community ties deeper than ever before, supported by mutual respect and admiration. As you embrace this new phase of life, you'll discover talents and passions that you never knew you had, pushing you to explore new hobbies or business ventures. The love and stability you experience will give you the courage to take risks, knowing you have a safety net in the unwavering support of your partner. Together, you and your partner will face life's challenges and celebrate its triumphs, each experience enriching your bond and deepening your love. The universe has indeed set the stage for a life of fulfillment and excitement for you.